knew that I'd be down for the fall.
Good morning, fam. Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day. So excuse me, I'm losing my voice, but we're gonna power through it. It's still gonna be a good day. So today I am in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I'll show you guys how beautiful it is in the background. Let's zoom in. It's gorgeous. So I'm about to leave the ship and see if I can find an excursion to go on. I'm looking for a tour. I think I kind of want to do the Bacardi tour, but I don't have any details. So I'm gonna see if we can just book it. We go downstairs or go outside, because I want to taste rum, and yeah, that's just what I want to do with my day. So let's get our day started. All right, outfit of the day. I'm wearing a Gucci Shooting Stars t-shirts, double G belts, some black distressed shorts. If these look familiar, it's because I brought these in 5 different colors with me on my trip. And then Pharrell Human Adidas sneaks. And then I'm just gonna bring my Gucci signature backpack and some shades, and that's it. I need some light. There's the light. All right, fam, so we figured out an adventure. We actually decided to do a 1-hour tour around Puerto Rico instead of doing the Bacardi tour. So our first stop is the Wall of Presidents. So of course everyone's taking a picture with Barack Obama's statue, which doesn't look that much like him. But yeah. There's the Capitol building across the street. It's pretty sweet. It's made of marble inside and outside. Lyndon B. Johnson, I know this president because he declared the world war on poverty in 1964, and that created community action programs as well as AmeriCorps. Haha, fun fact. By the way, it's like 1,000 degrees and I decided to wear all black, but whatever. Take care. This memorial is for, oh, okay, this is for all of the servicemen who died from Puerto Rico during the World War. So hopefully you guys are not blinded by the sun.
Had a Polaroid talking about you want a picture.
Yeah, because people want it right there. I bet you old people pay for them.
Wow.
That's cool. Oh, I'm sure.
Can we go in the, inside the
We're exploring like Dora.
Wow.
Listen, we're going in a little lighthouse thingy. Oh God, who's peeing inside here? Oh man, that looks sweet. That's cool.
Y'all ladies take a pic.
Okay.
Moonshine for everyone.
Oh yeah. Whew. It's hot out here, peeps. Hi, peeps. Hi, guys. Huh?
Yeah, it was good. All Brandy's 90,000 followers. Maybe about 10 of y'all come follow me on Instagram at DJ Coles. I don't know nothing about makeup, but I can make up some bullshit for you.
This dude. We don't even know him. He just started following.
Where my Quaji?
Quaggy gear. Listen, they gotta give me a check. No free promo. Woo!
They're from everywhere. I'm from Louisiana.
Awesome.
We're out here. Subscribe to all of our channels.
Listen, alright, so we met some other vloggers. Hey guys, shout out your channel.
Ryan LeBlanc and FTE Experience.
Awesome. So they're from
Louisiana.
both of you from Louisiana. Alright, well shout out to you guys. I'm Pretty PR Chick. My channel's PrettyPRChickTV. We travel, we do makeup, we look cute, all that good stuff. Cool bees.
Yeah, bye.
See ya.
Guys.